My name is Lunga Zondi, and you learn more of interesting things in the City of Gold if you do a tour with me. So let's go. Population of Johannesburg is 8.5 million people because there are lots of residential apartments in town, which is considered affordable rental housing as well. So many people come here to look for opportunities in the city and work here, live here and play here as well.
I got Lunga's contact from Tambo, whose free walking tour I did in Soweto a few days earlier. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description below and you can check that out. So I decided to do the tour with him here in Johannesburg. It's a walking tour. It took us about 3 hours. He showed us most of the downtown central area and we ended up in Maboneng. Because safety is generally a concern while walking around Johannesburg, it's good to have a guide to take you to the places that you can and show you the places you shouldn't go to. And then since we're in a group, we actually were able to go to a few places that we probably shouldn't have gone, but we had a guide, so it was okay.
I'm seeing this place, these animals jumping. And that was 53 years ago. When I was 10 years old, I'm 63 years old now. Coming with my mom to town. And she bought me peanuts, you know, doppies, ons roep het doppies in Afrikaans. I was just thinking, since that time, since, how many animals were here? And I never got a chance to count them animals. And then my mom passed away and I'm gonna tell her, when I go home, I've seen it again and it brings back memories. And it's really good to see it again. It was in Oppenheimer Park, you say? Yeah. And this is Anglo American. It's beautiful to see this again. Really, really.
Laptop glowing in a seaside bar.
It's just a fire grill. We thought it was something bigger, but it's not.
Sipping stories brewed with endless flair. Every corner whispers you. On the move, I feel alive. Every mile.
I see,
A bull and a bear.
yeah.
Which should tell you that this used to be the stock exchange.
Oh yeah?
Johannesburg Stock Exchange.
And this company is responsible for finding the world's largest diamond, the Africa Star.
One of the cool things about Main Street were these signs that just had a wealth of information of the history and culture of this area.
So it's under maintenance, so we can't go to see the deepest mine in the world, 4 kilometers.
So Lunga was able to get us a quick sneak peek inside the Rand Club, but because of our attire, we were not allowed to stay and have drinks.
So this mall actually goes down 10 floors, and this all used to be an open mine. So you can see the equipment up here, it's the old mining equipment, and it would go down all the way. And after they close mine, they say, hey, let's just turn it into a mall.
City lights flash where the skyline bends, packing my gear as the journey begins. A passport stamp with stories untold, chasing the sun and the wanderlust go.
And just like that, we've passed into a different neighborhood.
Mountain peaks to the ocean spray. The world's my home, I'm here to stay.
Market streets buzz with vibrant glow. Every word I learn, every phrase I know. Crossing the borders of life and love.
So the artwork down here is incredible. In Maboneng, we're actually entering Maboneng now, passing through, but just every pillar on this highway has a piece of art on it. It's pretty cool.
Here's the female room. Call it 6'9".
What does that mean?
That's six. Taking a pee. Anyone can pee. Get in.
I'm still gonna use it.
And I'm the TMax, rolling with the tide. Culture and language, my compass and guide. From mountain peaks to the ocean spray. The world's my home, I'm here to stay.
Welcome to Mai Mai. Mai Mai is one of the busiest food markets in town, Johannesburg. Actually, as you can see here, they actually have different containers from which they're selling from. The kinds of food that they have is local South African cuisine. So I'm talking cow heart, cow liver, and then there's your normal steak, and then boerewors, and then there's also cow head meat. So basically, South African people in a cow, nothing goes to waste. So they prepare it on the fire. So it's actually like a barbecue. We call it a braai. So this is a cow liver, and then this is your normal steak, and then there's boerewors. It's also cow heart, and then how they serve it with some veggies and some hot sauce and a pinch of salt and some pap.
Okay guys, here we have it. So this is our meat platter, which is actually local types of a meat. So we have cow heart, cow liver, and then we have steak and boerewors. So how we actually eat it, we first wash our hands because there's no forks and no knives. We have our starch, which we call it pap. So it's mealie meal, a maize meal. In other parts of Africa, they call it fufu. So it's made from maize, so the brown maize, which is actually how you prepare it. You just boil water, add a pinch of salt, and just add 2 cups or 3 cups, depending on how much you want it to be. And then you go to stir it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's done. So this is a sausage. You can try if you like. And then this is cow heart. We just dip in, eat.
I think we like the food.
Was it good? Good? Yeah. Amazing. That's very good.
Even after the meal, we gotta wash our hands.
Every mile a new surprise.
So this is a tire, from a car. So when the tire is worn out, they recycle this and make sandals.
In my head. City lights flash where the skyline bends. Packing my gear as the journey begins. A passport stamp with stories.
Yeah, it is so heavy and it's super big.
The wanderlust go. TMax, rolling with the tide.
It was just a really nice experience to have Lunga there to explain what we're actually looking at, what it's made of, how it fits into the culture, why do people use it.
Every word I learn, every phrase I know. Crossing the borders of life and land with the camera in one and a dream in hand. I'm the TMax, rolling with the tide. Culture and language, my compass and guide. From mountain.
We finished our tour in the Maboneng district. There's an art gallery that a buddy of his had, so we just kind of walked around there and checked it out. So that was our experience. Amazing time. Highly recommend it. I'll leave Lunga's contact info in the description below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Every frame I shoot, every tale I speak. The TMax, rolling with the tide. Culture and